So if you've clicked on this video, it means that you want to get into the wonderful world of hiking and you're wondering where to start. Well, don't you worry, this video is going to give you 7 tips that are kind of more like 8 tips, but 7 sounds better on YouTube for some reason. They're going to get you right in, and don't worry, it's super simple and easy. So let's get you out to the outdoors. So the first thing I would say right off the bat, especially if you've been doing some research on YouTube, is don't overthink the gear. You see a lot of channels recommending, like, in order to start hiking, you need a 50 grand backpack and amazing shoes and the perfect base layer, or what even is a base layer, and all this craziness. And if you add it up, it can be like thousands or at least hundreds of pounds just to get started on what is actually a very simple activity of just walking outside. When I started, I didn't think about gear at all, and I could have been more comfortable, but I had a lot of fun, and I learned over years what exactly was best for me, because the other thing about hiking gear is what works for somebody else might not work for you. Everyone's different. If you follow too much in terms of gear, 1, you might not get out there, 2, you might spend way too much, and 3, it might not even work for you. So when you're starting, don't worry about it too much. If you need to buy something, buy it cheap. Other than that, just get out there and have fun. Tip number 2, and this relates a little bit to tip number 1, hiking doesn't have to be long and hard. I'm gonna rephrase that. Hiking doesn't have to be difficult or in a long duration. A lot of people will look at hikers who do like the Crest Pacific Trail, or myself who walked across England. These are big 800-mile plus hikes, thousands of miles, and they think that's what hiking is. That is hiking in a way, but going out from your front door through a field nearby and up a hill for an hour or 2 is equally hiking. And whenever you're starting, I'd recommend just doing stuff that's close and easy, and more importantly, easy to commit to. It's really scary and hard to start new things. So if you make that leap into the unknown as small as possible, just for the first couple, you'll more likely do it, and you'll more likely have a lot of fun. The third tip, and this is something that I didn't really take seriously, I was like, I'll be fine. I'm a young spruce boy, whatever that means. I thought I'd be fine, but it really came back to haunt me, especially in my first year of hiking, was stretching. So I would really recommend after your hikes, especially when you're starting, to spend 2 minutes afterwards just doing some simple stretches. For me particularly, in the first year, I ignored that, and I ended up getting a bit of an injury behind my knee. 4th tip, and this is a little great one in my opinion. What am I saying? Get an app called All Trails. Now there is a pro version, but there's also a free version, and both are awesome. And the free version has everything you need. It will list, as the name suggests, all the trails in your area or anywhere around the world. So if you are looking for hikes you want to start off nearby you, All Trails is just an incredible tool. And there are trails everywhere, even if you're in a big city. I was looking in London, and there are tons of trails to do as well there. And you can rate them from easy to hard, a day to multiple days. You can pick the terrain. Do you want to see historical sites, waterfalls, caves, all that stuff you can actually put into that system, and it's really incredible. It's a really deep tool, but at its surface, it's really easy to use and is a great way to get you out there. Number 5, this is a double tip, perhaps some would say. If you're starting hiking, go with a friend. It's really fun, it's less scary, it'll ease you into this new wacky world of using your feet to get places, and then when you feel confident, I'd recommend going solo as well. So part 2 of this tip is, if you do hike solo, I'd recommend not listening to music or podcasts. Now I know, that sounds crazy, and when I first started, I was listening to podcasts every second I was out there on my own. But when you're out in nature and you're hiking solo, you're missing part of the magic of being out there if you're listening to a podcast or music. Not doing that really lets you get internal with your thoughts, which can be scary, but also really rewarding. And it also just makes you so much more in the moment and in the place you're in. And so I'd recommend leaving the earphones at home. Sounds mental, maybe it is, but I think it's great. Number 6, this one is boring but important. Always check the weather before you go. This is gonna drastically change how you go about your hike, really, and if you do a hike. Now, I'm hoping you start off, if you're just beginning, on really easy hikes, in which case, go out in any weather. It's important you experience it on easy hikes rather than in hard hikes. And then the final tip, and this is the only real gear tip I'm gonna give, and that is, if you're gonna buy a hiking backpack, first off, if it's your first hiking backpack, go cheap. Learn what works for you. Some people like to go super lightweight, some people like to go really big. Your back is different to someone else's back, and I know that sounds crazy, but it's true. And so what works for someone else will work totally different for you. I would start off getting a cheap backpack, seeing what you like and don't like about it. But also, if you're gonna do that, once you buy a backpack, make sure you get one that straps around your chest and also around your waist. Your back is gonna be so grateful. And that's really all the tips I got for you. Except, wait a minute, there's a secret tip coming at you. Yeah, not sure about saying it like that. Here's another one. And that is to just get out there, have fun, don't overthink it, and also don't care what other people think. There's this idea sometimes that people are gonna look at you and go, "Oh, he's a beginner hiker, he's wearing a Phantom XY shirt." No one does that, and if they do, they're douches. So ignore what people think, get out there, do it the way you want to do it. Make hiking your own, you know? You don't have to follow a standard with it. Use the gear you want, go where you want, and have fun.